Hey there, this is Caroline Chen. I'm with Intel. I'm part of the Network and Edge group, really focusing a lot on 5G monetization. So here's my partner.
And Jason from Cisco, Jason Teller. I'm responsible for mass scale infrastructure solutions.
So we're here, first day at Mobile
day
Congress. Yeah, bright and early.
Yep.
So we're seeing a lot of energy at the show. Of course, people talk about AI everywhere, edge. And one of the things that really brings the edge and AI together is connectivity.
Yeah.
A lot of the data that's sitting around, it has a time value. There's a time sequence to it. If you let it stay too long in one spot, it gets stale. Move everything to the cloud, very, very expensive. So that's where a lot of the private 5G really comes in. And no one can do this better than Cisco.
Well, Cisco and Intel together, I think for enterprises today, there's such a great opportunity with private 5G and some of the use cases that are emerging as companies sort of modernize IT and OT. Private 5G is really coming to the forefront as a way to solve issues, solve problems, and these use cases are across manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, ports, utilities, sporting venues, etc.
Industrials, and we see a lot of that. And clearly, Intel started in the cloud. We have a strong embedded presence, and then we've been investing heavily the last 15 years or so in virtualizing the network. And I know you are, when you come about Cisco, you are everywhere in the enterprise networking space. So I think that's how we started the partnership together.
Yeah, it's been a great partnership, and really excited to talk about it. So, when I think about what customers here are going to be, looking at this week, it could be robotics on a factory floor, right? It could be
AGVs.
Exactly. Conveying goods around a warehouse floor. And one of my favorites, because I'm a big sporting fan, is I like to imagine really immersive and engaging experiences in a sporting event. And so these are all use cases that can be brought to life by private 5G. Obviously, customers can't do this with traditional wireless. And so Intel, Cisco together, what do customers want? They want reliable, high speed, low latency,
security.
Gotta mention security.
Yeah. No one wants to get the data hacked.
Right.
And you go into enterprises, any IT, they want the data to stay on-prem. Only the data they want to share that goes into the public space. But that is super important. And I do believe with two of us together, with our experience in networking, experience in enterprise, and the strong operator, service provider presence, that's what we bring the whole story together. And you got to see the show. A lot of people talk about AI. AI comes from data, comes from edge inferencing. You can't do that unless you have a strong connectivity. You have Wi-Fi, you have Ethernet, and you also have 5G. So a lot of that really builds a great foundation I always look at private 5G as solving a business problem. It's not just connectivity, for the sake of connectivity. So it really is expanding the TAM, expanding the potential market share for both of companies.
Exactly.
And really is a solving business problem of the enterprises in their digital transformation journey.
Right. And, Intel and Cisco have worked together for a very long time, not just in this space, many different parts of our business, but I think we've really upped the game as it relates to private 5G over the past year or so. Here I'm thinking about the innovation centers that we're going to open together.
Correct.
And so when you think about our partners, managed service provider partners, it'll be a great space for them to come in and look at use cases and start to do development so that everything you're talking about can actually come to life. And it's got to be customized, right? This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. So innovation center is important.
Yeah, and last year we were here, Cisco and Intel announced this plan together. Now it's coming into fruition.
I think it's opening next month.
Yeah, we got to be able to show use cases together to our customers coming in. I think I'm very excited about it. And when we say we got to do something, we actually did it. And can't wait to welcome you guys to come into the Innovation Center and really see our co-developed use cases between us and with our partners.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that because when there's cross collaboration inside the industry, you really get a better solution, and you help de-risk it. It's complex. This is a complex area.
You can't do it all, right?
Exactly.
You can't do it all. I mean, some application vendors, they really know that space. They know that vertical, and they bring that expertise to us.
Yes. Well, that's what's great about the partnership. I'm really excited that we're able to do this together, and I hope you have a great show, Carolyn.
Well, thank you, and thank you for coming in bright and early.
Thank you.
And very nice chatting with all of you. Welcome to our Innovation Center. Hope you come and see us soon.
Exactly. Thanks a lot, Carolyn.
Thank you.